Hi guys, quick live withdrawal lang po tayo kay Wago Up or Wago Up. So may 127 ako. Magwi-withdraw ako ng 120 since multiple of 10 na ang pwedeng i-withdraw. So meron siyang 10% na withdrawal fee kaya 108 lang po yung ating marireceive. Then ito na nga pang 10 days na ngayon ni Wago Up. That is SpaceX, no? Pang ano na rin niya, 8 days na rin natin ni SpaceX pero still paying pa rin. So habang inintay natin na mag-success yung ating withdraw, ito nga po yung pwede natin kitain, no? So 300 lang yung in-invest ko, bawing-bawi ko na, no? Since nagtagal nga po ito si Wago. So yung 300 pesos po, kikita ng 60 pesos every day. Yung 700 pesos, kikita ng 144 pesos per day. Yung 1,500, kikita ng 324 per day. And yung 3,000 pesos, kikita ng 720 pesos per day. Then yung kabubukas lang na product which is 5,000, 1,200 pesos naman po per day. So for sure tatagal pa to guys kasi hindi pa naman nagbubukas yung product price na 12,000, 30,000, 50,000 at 100,000, no? So for coming soon pa rin sila guys, no? So yun guys, no, if you want to invest dito, lalagay ko na nga lang po sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. Hi guys, dumating na nga po yung ating winidraw kay Wago Up. Wala pang 5 minutes, no? 120 yung winidraw natin. Then ang dumating lang sa ating Gcash is you have received 108 of Gcash from Payme. Yan, paying na paying pa rin po si Wago Up, no? So magto 2 weeks na rin siya, still paying pa rin. If you want to invest guys, ilalagay ko na nga lang po sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. And again guys, invest what you can afford to lose lang guys. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Bye bye! Thank you for watching!